My husband loves vegan pancakes, and I have spent many a day making pancakes that turn out dense, gooey, and not good at all. But not today. This vegan blueberry pancake recipe makes light, fluffy, and delicious vegan pancakes every single time. Welcome to Kat's Vegan Kitchen. Let's get started. The thing that turned my pancake baking around was sourdough discard. If you don't know what that is or are scared of it, don't run away because I'm going to tell you what it is, where to get it, and how to use it. Sourdough starter is the stuff that gives your sourdough bread that tangy, delicious flavor. But to make sourdough starter, you have to feed it every day with flour and water. And if you feed it every day without taking any out, it starts to bubble over on your counter and grow too big. And then you end up wasting a lot of flour too. So when you're growing a sourdough starter, as you're feeding it and letting it grow, you collect the discard and store it in the fridge. Now you could throw it away, but that's a huge waste because this stuff makes amazing crackers and baked goods and pizza crusts and all kinds of things. And to be honest with you, I work with the discard way more than I work with the actual starter. Where do you get this stuff if you don't have it? Ask on your neighborhood social media groups. Somebody will have sourdough starter that they're willing to share with you. If not, check out your local bakery because they will often sell it to you. And if neither of those works, I'm going to link in the description below where you can buy your very own sourdough starter, which helps you make sourdough discard. Now, if you're intimidated, please don't be. I was very intimidated by sourdough bread and sourdough starter. It's super easy and it really is going to take your baking to the next level. We're going to start by mixing up a replacement buttermilk. I'm going to use 1.5 cups of soy milk. I like to use soy for this recipe because it adds a little bit of protein and it has enough fat that the milk will curdle. Use unflavored, unsweetened soy milk. To that, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of lemon and whisk it up and set it off to the side and let it curdle. This recipe, we need to replace 1 egg, so I'm going to use my favorite egg replacer, Bob's Red Mill. If you don't have access to this, I can link other egg replacers that'll work in the description below. But we're gonna mix up 1 tablespoon of Bob's Red Mill egg replacer with 2 tablespoons of water. Whisk it up really well and let it sit off to the side. While my soy buttermilk is curdling and my egg replacer is sitting, I'm gonna mix together the dry ingredients. We need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. Not only are these not super sugary, the sourdough adds beneficial probiotics, so they're great for your microbiome. Now I'm going to add my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients. When I say the soy milk will curdle, you're not going to see obvious curdling, you're just going to see it slightly changed. You'll see little curdles in it. Go ahead and add that to your flour. Add in your egg replacer. Add 1 cup of sourdough discard. 2 tablespoons of a vegetable oil that does not have a strong flavor. And here are my secret add to all your pancakes ingredients. 1 tablespoon of melted plant-based butter. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup. And for these, because I'm making a blueberry lemon flavor, 1 teaspoon of lemon extract. Now whisk that all together until you don't have many or any lumps. Today I'm making a blueberry lemon flavor, so I'm going to add in some blueberries. You noticed I used lemon extract, but you can play with the flavors. If you'd rather make chocolate chip, I would add more vanilla extract and chocolate chips, maybe even a little bit of cinnamon. I'm just going to add in blueberries until I think I have enough. It's probably going to be about 1/2 cup to 1 cup. I'm going to use a pancake griddle to cook up my pancakes, but you can easily make these in a saute pan as well. I'm going to hit my griddle with a little bit of water. When it sizzles, I know it's ready. Put a little bit of plant-based butter on it. I like to add my pancakes to a measuring cup and just pour them out. It's always a little tricky to know when to flip your pancakes, but someone once taught me when you stop seeing the bubbles on top or when they slow down, it's time to flip. This guy's a little bit bigger, so he is taking a little bit longer. I'm still seeing some bubbles. I love to serve these with a little bit of plant-based butter and some delicious maple syrup. It's Sunday here in Kat's Vegan Kitchen, so I'm gonna sit down and have a delicious vegan brunch. If you love this fluffy vegan pancake recipe, remember to hit that thumbs up and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Enjoy.